Welcome back to the channel. It is your host Rob with I-25 Kia. Happy New Year. Hope you guys had a wonderful New Year. Hope everybody was safe. Hope you didn't drink too much and get hungover like I did. With the new year means new New Year's resolutions. And for me, my New Year's resolution for 2019 is I'm going to be nicer to myself. How do you do that, you say? You hop into a VIP luxury package from Kia, the K900. This thing is sweet. Every single one of the K900s in their lineup has the all-wheel drive as a standard feature across the board. But let's hop in and take it for a spin, because that's what we want to do, right? Okay, that's what I want to do. Talk about an introduction. Nice to meet you too, K900. So inside you'll see the brown sienna Napa leather interior. These are very comfortable seats. Actually, these are the most comfortable seats I've ever sat in any vehicle ever in the history of time. I pinky promise you. So let's push this push button start and we'll go for a little spin. You can hop in the passenger seat. If your butt's cold, just hit the heated seat. Or if your butt's hot, hit the ventilated seat. Man, this is a good way to start 2019. Treat myself well. Feels like I took myself to a spa. Actually, I have no idea. I've never been to a spa. But I bet it's like the interior of a K900. If your passengers in the back need a little bit more shade because they want to nap, all you have to do is hit this button and you'll get a sunshade on the rear window. All of these buttons and all these motorized features really make me feel like James Bond. Where are the buttons for the ejection seat and the gun? You got some work to do, Kia. Just kidding, you don't. This car's amazing. Look at the gauges on this guy. Oh, what? You can change to midnight violet. I don't know what that means. Whoa. Refreshing green, empowered red, or pure insight. This car is very customizable. You can adjust the seats any way you want. You can make the colors on the dash however you would like. They've also incorporated some cutting edge technology. I think this piece of machinery is called a clock. Nobody ever taught me how to read those things, but this is a Maurice LaCroix analog clock. Just the cherry on top in terms of detail. Oh yeah, sunroof. I love this car as much as it loves me. I can tell it loves me because within the first 20 seconds that you start driving it, the seatbelt adjusts and conforms to your body. It's almost like it's giving you a little tiny hug. It's very similar in size to the Stinger. It's a little bit wider and a little bit longer, but it has the same type of powertrain. You have an 8-speed automatic transmission, 3.3 liter V6 engine, so you never have to worry about getting that additional power or acceleration. The suspension's amazing. It's super quiet. It just glides. The sound system, it bangs. In terms of climate control, there are really no limitations. You have heated and ventilated seats in the front and in the back, but you don't have to worry about controlling the climate for your rear seat passengers because they have full climate control back there for themselves, as well as motor-driven seats. It doesn't look like it, but those seats actually recline. You have one adjustment for your headrest. You got an adjustment for your back. That's a little too far forward. And then you can recline. I think I'm gonna take a nap. Oh my God, I'm working, I have a job, sorry. This 12-inch LCD screen is amazing. It's a full touch screen, but you've got 3 different panels that you can fully customize if you want. So you can have your maps, you can have your music, and then you can have your weather. I really like the convenience of this dial, which is also a joystick and a button. The idea of not having to touch the screen, even though you can if you need to, but it's way better having this right next to your shifters. So just like in the majority of the Kia vehicles, you have the integrated Apple CarPlay. You can access your phone, you can access your music, your maps, your text messages. But just like on the dash with your gauges, you can also change the accent colors in your vehicle. And then you can pick whatever color you want. It's hard to show off this ambient lighting during the day with all the ambient light, but I tested this out last night. In nighttime, this thing glows. Now there are a few reasons why I've been impatiently waiting to drive this vehicle. First of all, there's this guy named LeBron James. I don't know if you know him, but he's the Kia ambassador, and this is his personal vehicle. Not this one, but I bet it has the VIP luxury package like this one. And then reason number 2, whenever I got hired, I was immediately impressed with the luxury within all of their vehicles. I would go into the dealership and I would talk to the car experts and I'd pick their brain because I'm kind of looking into getting a car sometime. But what I want is luxury. I want something cool on the inside, really. I don't want to impress somebody as I zip by. I want somebody in here to be like, wow, this is a cool ride. And every time I brought that up, they just kept getting the same answer. K900. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions about the K900, go talk to the car experts at I-25 Kia. There are plenty of features and specs on this guy that I didn't even touch. In fact, you should take advantage of I-25 Kia's 24-hour home test drive. We'll deliver this guy to you, and you can drive him wherever you want. We have lots of fun adventures planned, and we've got plenty of content coming out with this K900. So stay tuned. Bye.